Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Funny Night in New York. Real family, let's get into it.
Look at my shorts.
Nah, this is a realistic vlog though. You gotta see the real. Niggas don't be showing you the real.
You see all this butt in your butt?
What's up, y'all? We're on a flight, just boarded. About to go to my hometown.
My birthplace.
My hometown. I'm saying,
Aren't you from like
don't even start.
Yemen?
Don't do that. No, I'm not from Yemen. I'm from Brooklyn. I'm from Brooklyn. So, I have decided to stop eating meat for a couple of days.
Is that a biodegradable straw?
Is it? Yeah, I think it is.
What about that?
Claire's got a big burrito, big meat over there. Big meat.
Just because you stopped eating meat a day ago, don't
Yo, I
start.
stopped eating meat. I'm about to turn into a little...
Don't start mentioning people eating meat.
No, but it's okay if you eat meat. I didn't say it was a bad thing.
Claire's like, rude.
Just saying that I chose to stop eating meat for like a couple...
She's just trying to be healthy, Claire. You know, she worried about her health. She's trying to make sure that she getting everything, that she need and her body can cleanse itself. That's nothing bad. It's not bad to eat it. It's not bad not to eat it. That's just what she decided to do today. That's what she meant.
It's nasty.
Yeah, like Willie's in the airport don't hit like Willie's.
Yeah, Willie's in the airport is different. It's like no, I wouldn't know. But yeah, so we are about to go up in the air.
Let me ask them a question.
Okay.
Is love you and I love you the same thing? Like, what do you guys think? Like, when she be like I love you, I'd be like, love you too. And she'd be like, nah, that's not.
That's not valid. You have to say the I. If you don't say the I don't feel like you mean it.
Comment that down in the comments.
Ladies know what I'm talking about. The girls know. If he don't say I, it ain't valid. You gotta re-say it. Period.
Oh, this don't
I see both points though. Cause like you say love you to your mom or something, but like I love you, is like you taking ownership of it. So that's where Queen coming from.
Think about how like nonchalant that sounds. I'm like, babe, I love you. And you're like, love you too. Like what?
It's like how I speak though. It's like,
lazy. No, and then you say it really, really quick too. You're like lazy. Like you're trying to get out the way.
But that's him. That's how he expresses himself, Queen. It ain't wrong. At least he love you. And he gonna be like, yeah, you do. Yeah, you love me. That'd be rude. Or like, yeah, I really like you a lot. Like, he didn't say nothing like that. He loves you.
Not like I'm whispering or anything.
And like, babe, I love you. He's like, love you too. Say how you say it. Do it.
Love you too. Love you too. But I speak fast.
It sounds like love you. Like, just say I love you. I want you to hear it.
I love you.
Oh my God. That sounds so much better.
It means the same thing.
You know what it is? When you say
watching too much All
I...
American.
No, you've been watching too much All American. I don't even watch that.
Doing your emotions.
No, you've been binge watching All American. But I promise
I'm about to
you.
watch it right now. I downloaded a couple episodes on Netflix.
And I wanted to start it with him, and he literally like, he just watched the whole season.
Let's talk about that too.
What?
This is for my niggas out there. You know what I'm saying? Yo, bro, don't you hate when you start a series with your girl and then like she wants you to wait for her to like,
Yes.
bro, come on. Like,
Why
we gotta
not?
have separate shows.
Nope. You can't wait though, Queen. He right though. Like, if you watching this series, especially a Netflix series, you get all the episodes. You can't just be like slow about it. You need to be up to date. Like, you need to be obsessively watching it with him or watching on your own, catch up, and then be like, oh, okay, what episode you on? I'm gonna catch up.
Yeah.
Like, we watch certain shows.
No, because I feel like Netflix like shows are bonding time. If like you catch up on it by yourself, we don't have nothing to talk about.
We just watched the Catwoman shit together.
That's an hour. Hold on, wait, let me. So I can roll my eyes.
You can't roll your eyes with your flashing on.
Don't you? You don't like them? You don't like them,
I
babe?
didn't say that.
Do you like me better with lashes or without them? Be honest.
I think you're very pretty without lashes. But I get why you need the lashes. They kind of give you like a
oomph?
like spazz.
So you like it? Or you like it? Which one you like better? Just be honest.
No lashes.
You like it better?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I think I like it better with no lashes either, but I have a music video shoot, so I can't go no lashes. Yeah. But okay, y'all. I'm about to eat my pretzels and no meat and chill out.
Remove the vest from the
Ooh, we got a video coming out. Yay!
container by pulling on the tab and lift the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front. And adjust securely around your waist. As you leave
Don't y'all be throwing that in that man's mouth.
the plane, inflate the vest with the vest. Or manually inflate it by blowing water-activated light attached to each vest. For children 35 pounds, on the infant's waist, and secure the strap between the legs.
Alright, y'all, so we just got to our hotel, and that's the front door. And it's a pretty nice room, y'all. Pretty comfy room. Got some chairs right here. They gave us a little opening box. Hey, Naija. Oh, how cute. Oh, they got candles. What is this, wine? Dry white cider and cookies, y'all. Nah, listen, I'm trying to do good. Dang, man. Why would they do? Why every time I'm trying to do good, somebody throws me in a bed? Like,
See, that's wrong. You know, them cookies are tempting.
it throws me for a loop, and I eat it, and I'll fall for it. Fall my trap. Welcome, Clarence. They didn't put Queen there, but it's okay. I guess because the room's in your name.
They put Queen there.
They put Queen there. They put Clarence here, so it's Queen and Clarence, like our name on our channel. We got a nice little view out here, y'all. I wonder if people can see us. They definitely can. Like, I can see that girl in her apartment right there. Hold on, let me zoom in. She is down there on her phone. I wonder what she watching on her phone. Okay, but yeah, we can definitely see people, and I'm sure people will see us. So, Clarence, be sure not to walk naked around with your hairy booty. Oh, let me show y'all the bathroom real quick. Let's show the bathroom. This is such a cute room. It is. It really is. Here we are. We have like a little mini closet set up. Do they have more light? I'm sure they have more light. Let's see. They have more light. Okay, good. Cool. Okay, so we got a little shoe shelf and it lights up with some drawers. Got a little coffee thing right here. This is a fridge, and yes, I left my little body armor in there. And then this is my first time in the bathroom actually. Got a little seat here. Oh, hi y'all. And the nice shower and the toilet. Yeah, you can even sit down on a shower as long as your butt is really small. And y'all, that's our room. I'm not sure what we're doing tonight, but I don't think we're doing much. I think Clarence is going to watch the game, get his hair cut.
Ow. NYC. I like that little closet deal. That's a cute concept.
And I might or might not go to the studio, but yeah, that's about it. The day is almost over, so we gotta find something to eat.
Alright, y'all, food just got here. It took me forever to find it because niggas left it. There's 2 lobbies in this hotel, which makes no sense, but we're in Jersey, so I got Tony Baloney's. Queen got some Chinese food.
Egg drop soup, y'all.
Egg drop soup, but she's been eyeing those cookies in the box right there. But game is on. My niggas is on their way out here. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna watch the game, maybe have a few drinks, you know what I'm saying? Chill. And then I gotta wake up early, go get a cut from John. You know what I'm saying? My original barber. That should be very fun.
Ask them, do they want, no, you gotta ask them because they don't want you to cut your hair. So don't cut your
I'm not cutting my hair though.
They say they like the curls.
I'm not cutting my hair. I'm just gonna get a shape of it. I think my beard is getting a little too wild. What y'all think? I'm gonna cut it off a little bit. My beard just a little bit. Lower this down a little bit. And just keep the curls, fresh shape up, tape up. Y'all know the vibe. Why are you staring at me like that?
Just look, you know, got a handsome man.
You took the hat off and got us started. That's what it was.
Alright. God, man. Golden State losing! Wait, I can do it. I can do it, wait.
Golden State is wildin'.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Man, your son, man. Man, they losing, man.
She give me with her impressions. Queen. She's like, yeah, son. They losing, son. You gotta get your New York accent, sis.
Yo, son. So I'm sure y'all seen my skin. First off, Clarence he was watching the game with Pete and Adam, his best friend, his cousin, downstairs in the lobby. And I'm up here putting on a mask, y'all, because I'm just trying to keep up, man. I'm just trying to be consistent with this skin thing. I went to see a dermatologist today, and she told me I have rosacea. And I kind of knew that because my skin is always red, y'all. And then my pimples are always red too. It's not just like a flesh color pimple. It's always literally red. So I'm applying this mask that this esthetician gave me. And yeah, I will start taking my new pill called Oratia tomorrow, the same day as my video shoot. Hopefully there's no bad side effects to it. But yeah, y'all, I'm trying to get my skin together. And this is an ongoing battle with me. I just don't understand. I never had acne as a teenager, and then all of a sudden when I turn into a grown freaking adult, I get acne. But I think I need to check my blood. Y'all, do y'all know your blood type? Because literally, I remember the doctor telling me my blood type, but I just do not remember because I had to get a blood transfusion when I had CJ, and they told me my blood type, but I don't remember. But sometimes your blood type can tell you what you don't need, like what you shouldn't eat. For example, like, hold on. Like, you can't eat meat because it will make your skin bad, you know, or dairy. So yeah, I need to figure that out too. That's another reason why, like, I'm just trying to not eat meat for a little bit to just see how my skin does, because sometimes that helps. To be honest with you, I know it's dairy too, so I've been trying to stay away from cheese. I love cheese, but it's super hard, you know. And why did I just find out today that egg is not dairy? Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah, I just got the John shot. I said about that. I got like a mini
Hey, John.
afro, huh? Got to get it right. I just left Queen. She was still sleeping, even though they gotta leave. What time the video shoot start, John? Right there, a little more. I really can't tell because yo, I just got the Jason Tatum, man. Jason Tatum, full effect. I played in the finals yesterday. It's lit. My nigga John. You know, only one person could do this. Only one person could do this right here. I look wild Spanish. Fire though, right?
No, you don't. We petty fan. We gonna tell you the truth. You look pretty much the same. Sorry. Good job though, John.
Rate my cut 1 to 10 in the comment section. Let me know. And the skin. Let's talk about it.
So y'all, currently we are in a rave. Currently, I just got back from a video shoot, y'all. It's like it's one. We in a rave, y'all.
Makeup though, her makeup is beat though. Like, I like that. Whoever did that, even in the dark, it looks nice.
In the rave, look at these stars.
I want to do this to the GLE.
I'm trying to do this to the Jeep. But yeah, y'all, me and Clarence are in the back seat of the rave right now. Man? And we are tired. We are about to get a chopped cheese.
I had to reinforce that. We're big-winded. Like, I don't want people to see this and be like, oh, Clarence is high.
Clarence took me on a date in the back of a rave.
I'm tired, man. Like, you already know, like, I don't smoke.
They always...
Y'all see me, you see these glasses.
He always take me on a date in the back of the rave.
Niggas with glasses don't smoke.
You can tell we tired.
You're right.
Because like we talk about two totally different things.
Let me explain though, yo, bro.
No, I'm not gonna lie. He's high.
No, listen.
He's high. This is the Queen and Clarence channel right now.
No,
we are adults.
Don't listen to she's bugging.
He was getting big high,
She's
drinking
3
big
minutes away from
Casamigos.
just asking some crazy shit to pee.
Oh, he got a haircut too out here. Looks good.
Yeah, I woke up at 7:30 to get this cut. You know what I'm saying? I've been up ever since.
Yeah, all I seen, I opened my eyes. He was pulling up his pants. I'm about some. Gotta be up in 40 minutes. Going to get a haircut.
That ass.
Well, he woke up early for that haircut. You look good.
Yeah, well, I need
And now
it.
we in the back of the race.
I need it.
I love it. Thanks, babe. He took me on a date. This is gonna be our title. Oh yes, thumbnail.
You gotta lift it up though. You gotta look like the race. You gotta get the lights.
Oh yeah, kiss,
right
kiss.
there.
Yeah, we in that rave. We in that rave. Alright, y'all. We about to go back to the hotel. And y'all didn't really get to see a lot of footage.
I ordered a chopped cheese. When I get back, you know what I'm saying, back healthy, back to the gym, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I couldn't go to the gym because my hair was going to sweat out. So now I can go because my hair is messed up now. What was I going to say though? Wait, what she say? I'm in London. I like to go and shop at the mall. Shop at the store and shop at the york. Yeah, we're thinking about getting a... Oh.
Give me some shoes.
Look at my shoes.
Look at my shoes.
Look at my toes. Look at my shoes.
Look at my shoes.
Niggas is tired.
Nah, this is a realistic vlog though. Niggas, you gotta see the real. Niggas don't be showing you the real. Niggas don't be showing you when they tired.
Wait.
Niggas just show you when they awake. When they awake.
Right.
When they just got mad energy.
Oh, dang, look at that ring blinking.
We don't got no energy and we still here. Look.
Ooh.
That's an AP.
Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, let me just...
AP right here.
That's real nice. That's gleaming. Look at my shoes. Look at my shoes.
Look at this. Nah, let me show. Yeah, look at my shoes.
Look at my jewels.
Nah, that ass though. Look at my shoes.
Look at my shoes.
Balenci's.
Yeah, I got the same one. I got 2 pairs of them too.
I put you on those though.
What?
I put you on.
Why you always gotta just take the credit for everything?
Nah.
He do that a lot, Queen. He really do. She be knowing about stuff.
You know them friends that just be like, they just want the credit?
Because of me.
Yeah. Like, yo, you don't even sit like that.
No, let me tell you, Clarence is so competitive. No, let me tell you how competitive he is. We in the early in the morning, we listen to gospel music. He like, nah, you ain't grow up in church like me.
Yeah,
like he wasn't.
Nah, bro.
He was like, you don't know this gospel song.
Like, yo, she be trying to test my like
gospel.
Yeah, like nah, she be trying to test my love for God. You know what I'm
I just
saying?
be thinking
and
he's
like I respect it, but like you ain't about to do that. Like I was raised in the church, like you know what I'm saying,
like
scriptures, all that, like all of that fancy stuff. I could do that too.
Oh, what fancy stuff? You won't go playing gospel like you don't know nothing about this.
John 3:16, like all of that, like we could do that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Read the Bible, y'all. Pray together. Stay together.
I know all the stories, all that.
Don't even do that because I will challenge you.
And songs though. I was playing songs you didn't know.
No, it was the Alabaster
You
Box.
don't know nothing about
No,
Alabaster
I
Box
heard
by
it before,
CeCe
but I
Winans.
just...
You don't know nothing about that?
I know all about CeCe1.
That's a good song.
I'm just
You don't
saying
know that.
like, I just don't know the lyrics, but I knew the song.
No,
He's so competitive. He trying to compete with everything.
As soon as you hear that, in the beginning, the little.
All right, though. But, Queen, you know what, sis? I got you right here. Okay, this is for my petty fam. This is for my queendom and all. She got you with the singing, though. She'll probably leave the singing to her, bruh.
Melody right there, you should know that.
What you hear, see?
But let me finish the fit though. Look, gallery. It was navy blue with the gray, and then navy blue with the gray. You know what I'm saying? The pants, but look.
In the sock.
Come on, don't
Gallery depth. That says gallery. What is a gallery depth?
department.
I know, but for real though, like why we spend so much money? What is it? We don't even know what a gallery depth is.
For real, Queen. I'm with you, sis. And if you spend that much, why you just can't put department, right? What we abbreviating for?
Gallery department. So it's like it's an art kind of brand. I know what it is. You're spending your money for no reason.
No. I'm not spending my money for no reason.
I understand it. I know what I'm wearing.
I only buy it because you had bought it and I thought it was nice. But to be honest, I can buy a pair of sweatpants and throw paint on it. It's the same thing.
You could, but it might not look.
I bet you.
It's like not the quality.
I'm about to go home and make some gallery
pants.
She can do it too. She really good at art. I saw her stuff on previous videos. Y'all remember that?
Yeah.
It's the fit of it. You know what I'm saying? You can't just.
You seen this shit with the jeans?
Yeah, it's Levi jeans. I got 2 pairs.
All right, y'all. When we get back to the hotel, we'll show y'all our chopped cheesies and how you make
That's what I do.
Period.
Our food is here, y'all. I'm so excited. I got some pizza just in case I don't like my chopped cheese. 1 slice, yeah. And these are chopped cheeses. I'm about to show y'all.
Look at my shoes.
Look at my shoes. Look at my clothes. Shopping to you.
Why you gave me fries, bro? You said you
Y'all, do I look like I am in a hippie movie?
They
Cause
be trying to blind niggas. Yeah. Let them blind you.
yo, we are really tired. Damn, baby. Ooh, can I get a piece of that booty? Can I get a piece of that?
Like Kevin Gates.
Can I get a piece of that butt?
Weird.
Let me get a piece of that butt. Yeah, we about to just sit and eat. We ain't gonna do no mukbang or anything. You know, just
Fake ass lie.
just chill and eat.
I already know Queen gonna be about that tripping. She talked herself into it, y'all.
I'm in London. I like to go and shop at the mall.
Them lemonades half and half.
We got a half and half right here. I'm gonna try this chopped cheese on camera. See what it's hitting for. Wow.
We ordered the same thing. We ordered some specific.
Oh, mine, I didn't get no ketchup, mayo, or tomatoes. Ooh. Ooh, that tastes good.
Half and half, right?
Ooh. Hold on, wait a minute. All right, before y'all say it, I know I said I was staying away from meat. Look, I was just...
Queen, ain't nobody judging you, sis. Seriously, like, honestly, when you go to a place and you are at a different place or you visiting somewhere, you on vacation, you ain't supposed to be on no diet kick, you know, and you did it before your video, you know, you want to feel good, you want to feel your best now, but, you know, you with him, you gotta taste the chopped cheese. Y'all be trying to make it at home, so we cool. You enjoy yourself, girl. Don't explain to none of these people. All right? Say Patty Fam said you ain't got to explain nothing to nobody.
I'm about to bite into this. I'm like, look. Now, before you guys say it, I earned this.
You did.
Niggas ain't eat all day. Sheesh.
You good? New Yorkers really think they did something. Y'all think y'all really did something by putting some ground beef in a hot dog bun. But it's like... a hero. How was your day today, babe? Did you like it?
It was cool.
It was fun.
Yeah.
I had to do all the work.
Being
You
in
just
the
chill
city and
on the
shit,
block.
I had to make sure you was straight. I had to do all the work too.
I didn't think of it like that. Yo, I'm tired, man. I'm tired of wearing
All
heels.
American, yeah. I seen All American.
You see all this butt in your butt? That was so random. I said, you want to see all this American butt? All right, y'all. Hey, this vlog wasn't long enough.
It was pretty long. Love y'all.
Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. It's the Queen and Clarence show. Man, be honest. You just want to be Clarence and Queen? Since the C come before the Q.
Nah, ladies go first.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My makeup looks nice on this camera, but in the mirror, let's give a crunch bar. Okay. Good night, y'all. That's about it. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
Public service announcement.
All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.